Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm NORAZALINA binti Mohamad ZAH from School of Pharmacy, KPJ Healthcare University College, located at Nilai Negeri 9. So today I want to share a research review about the natural herbal extraction in formulating antibacterial hand sanitizer. So we look at on the abstract for this research. Is including the method, the introduction, and also the results and conclusion. So we go one by one. For this research, for this review, actually is the study about the natural herbal extract for antimicrobial properties in order to formulate hand sanitizer with natural herbal extraction as active ingredient. As we know, in the pandemic area before, from the 2020 until now, actually the hand sanitizer will be used more frequent compared than previous years, right? So there is a personal hygiene that use of a cleanser are considered essential today for a healthy lifestyle, and natural herbal extraction are found to be effective in treating bacterial infection, while at the same time having a less side effect compared to the synthetic antimicrobial. So in this research, in this review, we want to look at on the natural herbal extraction used in the formulation of hand sanitizer, because from the others article, we can see a lot of author written about the herbal extraction that are suitable to do as a active ingredient in the hand sanitizer itself, and will be have a less side effect compared than synthetic. So in this objective also to review the safety and effectiveness of plant extraction in hand sanitizer, so that the significance of the study, all the documentation about documentation of the natural herbal extraction from the other articles can be compiled and to look at on the natural herbal plant species which can be used in formulating antibacterial hand sanitizer, so that for the next step, so the other researcher maybe can be used this review, the compilation of the data to formulate the natural herbal hand sanitizer using the all the plants that maybe have the combination and maybe stand alone of the plants itself. Okay, on look at on the literature review. We know that natural herbal extraction in hand sanitizer can be extracted. The plant samples are extracted using a variety of techniques, including sonification, heating, under reflux, rock sludge extraction, maceration, and percolation, according to the researcher before, Sesintron et al. 2011. So all the composition of phytochemicals that extract from the herbs or the plants must be have a proper steps that must be taken to ensure that possible active ingredients are not lost, altered, or destroyed, because it's very sensitive if the technique of the extraction is not correct, because some of the technique have the highest temperature during the process of the extraction. And formulations of antibacterial hand sanitizer also, for example, simple phenol and phenolic acids, which are made up of a single substitute phenolic ring, have the antiviral, antibacterial, and also other antifungal properties. And in the plant extract also have the flavonoids, flavonoids and flavonols as a carbonyl containing phenolic structure that have been shown to be efficient antimicrobial against a wide range of bacteria in vitro. And the others phytochemicals that are important is tannins that have polymeric phenolic compounds that have also antibacterial properties. So all the combination of phytochemicals here have the synergic effect combination and can be used as formulation of natural hand sanitizer. And for the safety and effectiveness of hand sanitizer, we can see that the effectiveness of hand sanitizer is determined by several factors, okay, including how the product is used, quantity, period of exposure, frequency of use, and whether the infectious agents on the person's hand are susceptible to the active compound in the product. Okay, and hand sanitizer also actually for the synthetic, the presence of chemicals in alcohol-free sanitizer also may irritate and dry out of the skin, according to the researcher before, which is from P. Singhs et al. During 2020. Okay, so this side effect can be reduced and can be replaced by using the plant's extracts, natural herbal extraction, which is contains the herbal extraction itself only, compared than synthetic that have alcohol and others synthetic agent that maybe give the bad side effect to the our skin. Okay, and hand sanitizer, despite their varying efficacy, can help also reduce the spread of infectious disease, especially in situation when hand washing compliance is poor. So that the hand sanitizer, even though the COVID-19 is reduced now, but still useful and still using more frequent in the community today to prevent the infectious disease from occur. Okay, so for the methodology of this review, have the pre-production during the research idea, research design, and during the production of the review paper also have collecting information, evaluation, and also during the post-production also have during the technical writing, all the review paper need to analyze and also interpret. Okay, so have three phases, which is review the literature according to the natural herbal extraction, antibacterial, and also formulation, and we also identify and review the good article that we can see and compile the data according to the specific objective. All right, and for the phase 3, collecting and determining the main formulation, because from all the paper articles that we collected, lots of review about the natural herbal extraction, but we want to focus only on the hand sanitizer and also only on the herbal extraction that have the good side effect, safe and effectiveness to the consumer later, so that the data can be used by the other researcher to do in the lab as a in vitro and or in vivo research, experimental research. Okay, this is a result and discussion. From the result and discussion, this is a summarize from the table 1. That's plants antimicrobial activity and formulation of herbal hand sanitizer, that we can see here plants that we use either in combination of the herbal extract, or also maybe have a single herbal extraction. Okay, and all the plants have the antimicrobial activity, and the formulation, what the researcher do is based on the based on the clinical lab, in vitro or in vivo. So have so many formulations that we can see and compare which one is the best formulation. Okay, so I think this is the data is so crucial and good for the researcher coming soon to look at back and to see which one is the best formulation, and maybe can combine either one of the plants. And from the plants also, we can see they have also have safety and effectiveness of the plants. Okay, and have the good side effect, because some of the plants will, for example, Omicron Sancrum can cooling attributes, stop the skin from drying out. Okay, and then for example, some of the plants also can be used as hand sanitizer because it have the soothing effect, right? So for example, aloe vera. Okay, and also have the for example, citrus medica, minimizing visual sign of aging, even though it's not all just only for the hand, but it can be as as a soothing agent, right? So it's a very good combination of the plants. Right, as a conclusion, we can see that hand hygiene is one of the most important aspects to which everyone should pay attention in order to avoid the spread of infectious disease. And from the results and discussion that we see just now, have a combination. We can combine combination of herbal extract will produce a better natural hand sanitizer, because every single plants have a effect, that a different effect, so a different good effect. So we can combine and search the data. Is it the formulation is good for the both plants to combine and to do the better natural hand sanitizer. And the last one is natural herbal hand sanitizer are environmentally friendly and safer to use compared to the synthetic sanitizer, because as we know, in the market have a hand sanitizer that have a combination of alcohol that make it our hand and our health is not healthy and have a long side effect. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. This is a reference that we can the audience can scan the QR code, and the reference will be appear from there. Thank you.